Search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO, is an essential aspect of digital marketing. It helps businesses increase their online visibility and attract more organic traffic to their website. However, for beginners, the world of SEO can be daunting and confusing. That's why we've created the Ultimate Beginner's Guide to SEO, where we'll break down everything you need to know to start ranking on Google. In Section 1, we will go over the basics of SEO, including what it is and why it's important. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to increase its visibility and traffic through organic search results. It involves various techniques and strategies that help search engines understand your website's content and relevance to user search queries. Section 2 is all about on-page optimization, where we will discuss how to optimize your website's content and structure to improve its visibility on search engines. This includes keyword research, creating quality content, optimizing meta tags, and improving website speed and user experience. In Section 3, we'll cover off-page optimization, which involves building high-quality backlinks to your website from other established websites. This helps to build your website's authority and credibility, which can improve its search engine rankings. Finally, in Section 4, we will talk about technical SEO, which involves optimizing your website's code and structure to improve its crawlability and indexing by search engines. This includes optimizing your robots.txt file, XML sitemap, and schema markup. Armed with the knowledge from our beginner's guide, you'll be ready to start ranking on Google. Remember to create high-quality content, optimize your website structure and code, and build quality backlinks to improve your website's visibility on search engines.
Thank you for joining us for part 1 of our Ultimate Beginner's Guide to SEO. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. As we continue with our series, we'll delve deeper into the various aspects of SEO, including on-page and off-page optimization, technical SEO, and much more. In our next videos, we'll discuss the importance of search engine optimization, master on-page optimization, boost your website's SEO with off-page optimization, and dive into technical SEO. So be sure to tune in to the upcoming videos in our series. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest SEO insights and tips. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.